Number 5. Supplier A produces a large number of sandwiches and wraps in the ratio 3:2 and supplier B produces a large number of wraps and paninis in equal quantities. Two products are from A and one product is from B. List all the possible combinations of three products. The condition is supplier A has sandwich and wraps. Supplier B has produces wraps and paninis. So here three products. Condition is two products from A and one product is from B. So the possible combinations are SSWSSP, then SWWSWP, then WSWWSP, then WWWWP. These are the 8 combinations. The part is the rate are given. The selling price of each product is shown in the table. Sandwich, wrap and panini. Here, the random variable T represent the total price in pounds of 3 selected products. List all the possible values of T. So, let us consider the rate of each combination. So, sandwich, this is 3, 3, 4. Here, 3, 3, 5. Here, 3, 4, 4. Here, this is 3, 4 and 5. This is 4, 3, 4. This is 4, 3, 5. This is 4, 4, 4. This is 4, 4, 5. Okay. So the possible, list all the possible values of T. The possible values of T is equal to, the total price is 3 plus 3 is 4. 3. Here the total price is 10. Here the total price is 11. Here the total price is 11. Here the total price is 12. Here the total price is 11. This is 12. This is 12. This is 13. So there are total price 10 is there, 11 is there, 12 is there and 13 is there. These are the possible values of T. Find the sampling distribution of T. The just previous we have found the total value, the same only repeated here. Now we can find out the distribution of T. So we have to find what is the probability of to get the sandwich, because supplier A and supplier B are there. So what is probability of S and what is probability of W? Here in the question which is given, supplier A produces 3:2, supplier B produces equal quantity. So this is 1:1. Here 3:2. So sandwich 3 by 5. The probability of selecting sandwich is 3 by 5 and the wrap is 2 by 5 for the supplier A, and the probability of in supplier B, probability of wrap and pan is everything is 1 by 2 because equal quantities 1 by 2 and 1 by 2. Now we can find out the distribution of T. Probability of T equal to 10, because T value we know just before we found the value of T 10, 11, 12, 13. So what are the possibilities to get the probability of T equal to 10? Here the first option is SSW, which is equal to, let's find out the value of the first two products are from A, the third product is from B. So 3 by 5 times 3 by 5 times 1 by 2, which is equal to 9 by 50. Then let's find out probability of T equal to 11. What are the possible outcomes? So SSP plus probability of finding SSP plus probability of finding SWW plus probability of finding WSW, which is equal to SSP, that is 3 by 5 times 3 by 5 times 1 by 2 plus 3 by 5 times 2 by 5 times 1 by 2 plus 2 by 5 times 3 by 5 times 1 by 2. So the answer is here, the simplified form of this answer is 21 by 50. Then probability of t equal to 12. Here also some possibilities are there to find. There are 3 combinations. So probability of SWP plus probability of WSP plus probability of WWW. These are to get the total of 12. So this is 3 by 5 times 2 by 5 times 1 by 2 plus 2 by 5 times 3 by 5 times 1 by 2 plus 2 by 5 times 2 by 5 times 1 by 2, which is equal to, this simplified value is 8 by 25. Then the last possibility is probability of the total amount for 13. Here the possibility is probability of WWP, which is equal to 2 by 5 times 2 by 5 times 1 by 2. So this is 4 by 50 or 2 by 25. Now we can fill this data in a distribution table. So consider the value total amount is T is 10, 11, 12 and 13. So probability of T equal to T. Here the first option is 9 by 50, which is equal to 0.18. That is already we found 9 by 50. Then 21 by 50, which is equal to 0.42. The third one is 8 by 25. 8 by 25, which is equal to 0.35. Then 13 is 2 by 25, which is equal to, the decimal expansion is 0.08. This is the required distribution. Part is, find the sampling distribution of the range R of the prices of the 3 selected products. So range R. What is range? Range is highest value minus lowest value. We can find out range of the each combination. Here the range equal to 1, here 2, here 1, here 2, here 1, 1, here 2, here 0, here 1. So the required range of the values are 0, 1 and 2. Now we can find out the sampling distribution. So what is the possibilities? When R equal to 0, here the probabilities are WWW, which is equal to, here always the first two probabilities are from the supplier A, the third one is supplier B. So here 2 by 5 times 2 by 5 times 1 by 2, which is equal to 2 by 25. Then R equal to 1. So here the probability of SSW plus probability of SWW plus probability of WSW plus probability of WWP. So here the values are 3 by 5 times 3 by 5 times 1 by 2 plus 3 by 5 times 2 by 5 times 1 by 2 plus 2 by 5 times 3 by 5 times 1 by 2 plus 2 by 5 times 2 by 5 times 1 by 2. So this value is, this is equal to, the simplified value is 1 by 2. Now R equal to 2. So here the probabilities are SSP plus probability of SWP plus probability of WSP. Let's add these 3 by 5 times 3 by 5 times 1 by 2 plus 3 by 5 times 2 by 5 times 1 by 2 plus 2 by 5 times 3 by 5 times 1 by 2. So this simplified value is equal to 21 by 50. Okay, now we can put this data in the distribution. So range equal to R equal to 0, 1 and 2. So the distribution is P probability of R equal to R. Here the first 0 is 2 by 25. 2 by 25, the decimal expansion is 0.08. Then 1 by 2 is 1 by 2, the decimal expansion is 0.5. 21 by 50, the decimal expansion is 0.42. This is the required probability of distribution.